Now let's continue this matter of nomenclature. We shall try to consider nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and then carboxylic acids. A. Let's see aldehydes. Aldehydes. In the nomenclature, we shall have the columns as compounds, common name, IUPAC. You can also give its bond line structure too. Okay. So compound, common name, IUPAC name, and bond line formula or bond line structure. You can draw bond line structure of your own. Let's see aldehydes. The first one is formaldehyde, HCHO. This is formaldehyde. Popularly, this is formaldehyde. Commonly, this is called formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. IUPAC name. What should be IUPAC name? One carbon. So alkane is methane, right? ANE, methane. E has to be dropped. This is root. This is primary suffix ANE, and secondary suffix of aldehyde is AL. Yes. So AL starts with, or it begins with A, which is a vowel, and that's why E of ANE has to be substituted, which is replaced. So al, methanol. Now there is no necessity to write the locant of al here, because what happens? Aldehydic functional group is always present at the end of parent hydrocarbon chain, so which is always numbered as 1, if it is alone, of course. Whereas in case of ketones, ketonic carbon is never present at the end, so its location has to be indicated. Ketonic carbon is never 1 and aldehydic carbon is always number 1. Next, CH3CH2. Let's write this way also. Even like this you can write it. CH3CHO. Commonly this is called acid aldehyde. CH3 acid. For H, form. And IUPAC name is ethanol. Ethanol. Eth means 2 carbon. AN means carbon-carbon single bond. And al means CHO group. You have to number the carbon of functional group also. Ethanol. Then CH3, CH2, CHO. This is propion aldehyde. Propion aldehyde. Propion aldehyde. And IUPAC name is 3 carbon propanol. Propanol. Aldehyde number 1. Locant 1. CH3, CH3. This is isopropyl group, right? To this CHO is attached. But because carbon when is also numbered, now this becomes a molecule of 4 carbon having 1 branch. It is commonly named as isobutyraldehyde. If propyl group is N-propyl to which CHO is attached, then it is N-butyraldehyde, normal butyraldehyde. This is isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. And how will you give its IUPAC name? Now here all 4 carbon atoms cannot be in the continuous chain. So you have to number from that direction where carbon of carbonyl group is falling nearer. So this is becoming 1, 2 and 3. So continuous chain of carbon atoms is having 3 carbon, and on the second carbon of main chain there is a branch. Branch is CH3 means methyl, which is this alkyl group CH3 methyl. So 3 carbon means pro, root is pro. 3 carbon atoms are interlinked by single bond, so AN, ane, propane. 1 al. 1 is not necessary to write, so propanol. And this is a substituent which is carrying on second carbon. What is that substituent? Methyl. methyl. So methyl is present on second carbon. So along with its propan. So 2-methyl propanol. Okay, 2-methyl propanol is an IUPAC name. How will you represent its bond line formula? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. यही कार्बन है वो, ऐसा दिखा सकते हैं, ऐसा दिखा। अगर यहाँ H नहीं लिखोगे तो फिर ये R बन जाएगा, यानी मीथिल कार्बन आएगा फिर, तो ये फिर कीटोन बनेगा। हो गया क्या? 1, 2, 3. सेकेंड कार्बन इज कैरिंग ब्रांच, यानी ये सेकेंड कार्बन है, दिस इज फर्स्ट कार्बन, दिस इज सेकेंड कार्बन एंड दिस इज थर्ड कार्बन, सो ये ब्रांच, दिस इज बॉन्ड लाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आइसोब्यूटेन। पांच कार्बन पे जाते तो वैलर एल्डिहाइड रहने दीजिए, कम से कम इतना याद रखो। एक काम करें, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2, this is acrolein, this is unsaturated aldehyde, right, having presence of double bond, acrolein, ACRO adenine. Write its IUPAC name. Tell me what is its IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3. 3 means prop. EN has to be there. 1, 2 in between second and third carbon there is a multiple bond, double bond rather. So 2 EN and 1 al. No necessity to write local dot al. So pro 2 EN. Pro 2 EN. What is this? This is cyclohexane. You can write, sometimes it is difficult to write even common names. You can write it as cyclohexyl aldehyde. Cyclohexyl aldehyde. Whereas IUPAC point of view it is written as cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Hexane carbaldehyde. This is aliphatic. Then benzene into the CHO is given. This is benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde. Even this common name can be written as its IUPAC. Benzaldehyde, or more fairly, benzene carbaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, the same can be the IUPAC name, or benzene carbaldehyde. Aromatic side chain. इसको आयु कॉमनली नाम देना भी जरा ये हो जाएगा, बेंजाइल ऐसा लिख के तो और मतलब फिर ऐसी सिचुएशन में हम IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। तो इसका क्या IUPAC नेम होगा, सोच के बताओ। जब ये रिंग आती है तो फिर आप इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करके मानते हो, यानी ऐसा समझ लीजिए, कंसिडर दिस वन एज इफ दिस इज एलिफेटिक aldehyde having 2 carbon, and on second carbon hydrogen has been substituted by C6H5, and C6H5 is phenyl, so it is phenyl substituted acetaldehyde, right? आप इसको कह सकते हो ना, फिनाइल सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एसिटाल्डिहाइड। या जैसे ये कार्बन है, अल्डिहाइडिक कार्बन है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप का कार्बन है, फंक्शनल ग्रुप के पास वाले कार्बन को अल्फा कहते हैं, तो अल्फा कार्बन पे फिनाइल ग्रुप है, तो आप इसको वो ऐसा नाम, मतलब कुछ और सोच के कर सकते हो कि ये अल्फा फिनाइल एसिटाल्डिहाइड है ना, लिख सकते हो कि ये एसिटाल्डिहाइड करके मान सकते हो CH3CHO, CH3 का H of CH3 has been substituted by phenyl, so phenyl substituted acetaldehyde and phenyl group is present on alpha carbon। तो इस तरीके से ग्रोथ होती जाएगी, समझो एक और CH2 डालते हो और फिनाइल ग्रुप रखते हो तो फिर बीटा फिनाइल लिख सकते हो, प्रोपेन एल्डिहाइड है ना। सो दिस वे यू कैन गो थ्रू। नाउ व्हाट शुड बी इट्स IUPAC नेम? 1 2 दो ही कार्बन है और वो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है, यानी ईथ AN al, and second carbon of ethanol is carrying phenyl, so 2 phenyl, okay, 2 phenyl ethanol halides। So once this is over for aldehydes, now let's talk about second part, ketones, nomenclature of ketones, nomenclature of ketones। Now we have to consider the naming pattern of ketones by few examples। Let's have similar columns, compound common name, IUPAC name, and then bond line structure। The first ketone, let's have few examples of symmetrical, unsymmetrical, then aliphatic, aromatic, alicyclic, okay। So then CH3 CO CH3, this is acetone, everybody knows this, dimethyl ketone, but more popularly commonly this is called acetone, acetone। And here 3 carbon prop AN, and what is the secondary suffix for ketonic functional group? ON, ON, 2 ON, even it is not necessary to write 2 because it is never present at the end, it can never be 1, so in case of molecule having 3 carbon, ketonic carbon would be definitely second, or even if it is written propan 2 ON, still it is correct। Then CH3 CO, shall I write now this one? More condensed pattern, CH2 CH3, CH3 CO, CH2 CH3, this is methyl group, this is ethyl group attached to ketone। In case of ketone, 2 alkyl or aryl groups, or 1 alkyl, 1 aryl group has to be there। So this is methyl ethyl, means ethyl in an alphabetical order, we shall write common name, ethyl methyl ketone, ethyl methyl ketone। Then C2H5 CO C2H5, ethyl ethyl ketone, that is named as diethyl ketone, 2 ethyl groups twice, so diethyl ketone। Now what are the IUPAC names? 1 2 3 4, all 4 carbon atoms are in the continuous chain, so but 4 carbon, alk is but, 4 carbon atoms are linked by carbon carbon single bond, so ANE, primary suffix is ANE, then E is dropped and ketone, secondary suffix of ketone is ONE, 2 ONE carbon, 2 ONE, even here not necessary to write 2 because butanon also is going to be 2 butanon, butan 2 ONE। Then diethyl ketone, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 means pentan, and on third carbon ketonic carbon is there, so this is now pentan 3 ONE। Now this 3 is important because pentan 2 ONE can also be possible। If I am asking you to write the structure of pentan 2 ONE, what should be the structure? 1 2 3 4 5, and second carbon is carrying ketone lines, okay, Now rest valencies are to be managed with hydrogen. So this is CH3, this is CH2, H2. Here is methyl group on one side of carbonyl group, and on second side propyl. Which propyl? N-propyl, normal propyl. So propyl methyl, N-propyl methyl, methyl N-propyl, N is small, N-propyl ketone, methyl N-propyl ketone. What should be its bond line structure? 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon is carrying ketone. Okay. 2 pentam, pentam 2. Rest is your duty to write their bond line structures. CH3, CO, CH, CH3, CH3. This is your duty to write common name as well as allopathy. Then write benzene ring, CO, CH3. Next, benzene ring, CO, yet again benzene ring, so 2 phenyl groups, diphenyl ketone, and this is methyl phenyl. What is also popularly, this is called acetophenone, remember, acetophenone. Pistachio smell मैंने बता दिया फ्रेगरेंसेस का नाम pistachio. बेंजोलेट का बिटर अल्कोहल pistachio smell. This is benzophenone, diphenyl ketone, more popularly called benzophenone. Aromatic. अल्किल कीटोन ऐसा बोलते हैं, अल्किल कीटोन, डाइफेनाइल कीटोन. मैं अगर आपको एक हाथ ऐसा भी दे दूं, ये देखो हेक्सेन भी देख सकते थे, साइक्लोहेक्सेन. ये आपके लिए छोड़ दूंगा. This is all about aldehydes and ketones, their nomenclature. Now there can be a presence of such compounds having aldehyde as well as ketone functional group. So if 2 or more than 2 functional groups are present, then you can also write. So let's have few more some complex examples. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Let's see, even hydroxyl group is reached. How will you write this? Now, this is represented by iotactylene only. Iotactylene only. Now here 2 functional groups are present. Rather 3 functional groups. This is 1, this is 2nd, and this is 3rd. So when such a situation arises, then on seniority table, priority, mode of preference is to be selected. Means to which functional group preference has to be given. And in the preference order, which comes here? Aldehyde. As compared to alcohol, carbonyl group. But in between aldehyde and ketone, it is the aldehyde. So this is priority. This is senior functional group. So this functional group is chosen, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are here in the main chain. 5 means pent. All the carbon atoms are associated with single bonding, and that's why it is ANE, pentane. E is dropped, 1 ul. No necessity to write locant of ul, or even if it is written, still it is good enough. Pentanal. Then these two remainder functional groups, they are treated as prefixes, being substituents. They are considered to be substituents, not the secondary suffixes. So for OH, if it is alone, then all is the suffix as everybody knows. But its prefix used is hydroxy. And for ketone, oxo. Oxo, yes, not ONE. So 4 oxo and 3 hydroxy. In an alphabetical order, 3 different substituents are written. Right? There is yet another substituent, that is alkyl group. Every time substituent is an alkyl group, most of the times. But sometimes even functional groups may be considered as the substituents. And when it is happening? When there is any functional group which is supposed to be a principal group. So this is a principal group. ये आपका principal group हो गया. Principal group. So yes, अब कैसे लिखोगे? अब ये हाइड्रोक्सी है, हाइड्रोक्सी का H, ओक्सो का O और मिथिल का M. So मुझे लगता है पहले हाइड्रोक्सी हमने लिखना चाहिए. So 3 hydroxy, then come methyl, 3 methyl, 4 oxo pentanal. बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला आपके लिए छोड़ दूंगी, कर लोगे? बॉन्ड लाइन स्ट्रक्चर लिखो. This is again your duty. 2 functional groups. If 2 CHO are present, CHO, dialdehyde, right? This is commonly, popularly called glyoxal. Glyoxal. And what should be its IUPAC name? 1, 2. Means eth, an, ethane, di, e रखो फिर, because aldehyde is coming twice. Diethyl, ethane, diol. Glyoxal is more popularly its name, even if common, but it is more popular. Diol, ऑल नहीं होना चाहिए. इथेन डाई ऑल हो गया तो क्या होगा? वो 1 2 OH है ना. इथेन डाई ऑल, ए का O हो गया तो गड़बड़ होगी. ये ग्लाइकॉल है ना, इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल, तो आप अल्कोहल पे चले गए. So yes, this is all about aldehydes and ketones. And finally, carboxylic acids. Let's have a few examples of that. Carboxylic acid, C, nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids. Compounds, common name, IUPAC name, and then bond line structure. Bond line structure. बनाया स्ट्रक्चर, इसका नाम आप लिख दो. नेक्स्ट, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. द फर्स्ट वन HCOOH, राइट? COOH को H लगा. व्हाट इज पॉपुलर कॉमन नेम? फॉर्मिक एसिड, फॉर्मिक एसिड ये रेड एंड्स में होता है, इसका सोर्स मैं बता दूं. The sting of red ants is due to that formic acid which is injected in our fluid, blood powder. लाल चींटी जब काटती है तो मजा आता है, वो मजा फॉर्मिक एसिड की देर है. And what is its IUPAC name? Meth. One carbon meth. AN, methane. And you know, for carboxyl group, carboxylic acid, what is secondary group? Secondary suffix? OIC acid. So it is methanoic acid. Then CH3COH, very popular and very older, pretty old this compound. Been invented, you may say, or been discovered by human. Acetic acid. Acetic acid, which is a common constituent of vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid. IUPAC name? 2 carbon, 1 to eth, AN, OIC acid, ethanoic acid. Acetic acid is named by IUPAC nomenclature as ethanoic acid. Then let's write C2H5COOH, propionic acid. Commonly this is called propionic acid. Then CH3CH, this is isopropyl group. If N-propyl group is written 3 plus 1, commonly 4 carbon. यहाँ CH जो हमने लिखा था तो ब्यूटेरल्डिहाइड कहा था. अब अगर कंटिन्यूस चेन है तो N ब्यूटेरल्डिहाइड, नहीं है तो आइसो. अब ये ब्यूटेरल्डिहाइड नहीं है, ब्यूटेरिक एसिड. इंस्टेड ऑफ अल्डिहाइड राइट IC. कॉमन कस्टम में IC एसिड ये टर्म होती है. सो इट इज आइसोब्यूटेरिक एसिड. आइसोब्यूटेरिक एसिड. इसका IUPAC नेम 1 2 3, अल की जगह OIC एसिड लिखना है. सो PropANOIC acid, propanoic acid. Second carbon carries methyl, so 2 methyl propanoic acid. Propionic, propanoic क्या है? यहाँ ब्यूटेरिक एसिड है कॉमन में, लेकिन IUPAC में प्रोपैनोइक आता है क्योंकि कंटिन्यूस नहीं है चारों कार्बन. कॉमन कस्टम में चारों कार्बन गिने गए हैं मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर. आप अगर वैलेरिक लेते हैं, एन वैलेरिक, आइसोवैलेरिक ऐसा ले सकते हैं. जैसे 3, ये 4 और 5 अगर मैं कंटिन्यू लिखता हूँ तो ये वैलेरिक एसिड. इसके आइसोमर्स आप लिख सकते हो, वो आपकी एक्सरसाइज हो सकती है ना. वैलेरिक एसिड के डिफरेंट माने ये ब्यूटिल ग्रुप है ना, COH तो कॉमन है, तो ब्यूटिल कितने प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं? एन ब्यूटिल, आइसोब्यूटिल, सेकेंडरी ब्यूटिल, टर्शियरी ब्यूटिल. 4 तो हो गए, तो 4 ब्यूटिल को COH लगा दो जहाँ फ्री वैलेंसी होगी, तो 4 आइसोमेरिक फॉर्म्स आप लिख ही सकते हो. ये मैंने क्या लिखा? एन ब्यूटेरिक एसिड, सॉरी ब्यूटेरिक 5 है ना, कॉमन में इसमें वैलेरिक 5 कार्बन, पेंटेन, वैलेरिक एसिड. वही एल्डिहाइड आता है तो वैलर एल्डिहाइड ऐसा. दिस इज पेंटेनोइक एसिड, पेंटेन OIC एसिड. वैलेरिक में ही आप